Meet SNOOZ, a portable sound machine designed to help you sleep. Inside, a small fan spins to produce peaceful white noise. No looping tracks, no low-quality speakers, just the soothing sound of moving air. Adjust the tone with an easy twist of the outer shell. Dial in your personal sound cocoon with 10 volume settings. Control the nightlight, set a schedule, and protect your little one's ears with a first-ever nursery calibration, all on the SNOOZ companion app. So whether it's for neighbor noise, hotel rooms, or you just like the sound of a fan, SNOOZ can turn your bedroom into a haven for sleep. SNOOZ.
Pure Essential Oilworks Drift Away White Noise and Sleep Therapy Sound Machine is the perfect device to help you fall asleep and stay asleep. Our white noise and sleep therapy sound machine features continuous cycles of white noise or your choice of 6 soothing nature sounds with slight repetition. Other features include a volume adjusting knob, 30, 60, 90-minute auto-off timer, and continuous on setting for energy-efficient operation and a peaceful night's sleep. Pure Essential Oilworks Drift Away White Noise and Sleep Therapy Sound Machine includes a USB charging and headphone port, USB cable, aluminum stand, and a 110-volt CE adapter.
Everyone could use a little more sleep. That's why we created Hatch Baby Rest, a nightlight and sound machine controlled by your phone. Rest is designed using the latest scientific research, with hues that promote healthy circadian rhythms, and white noise proven to aid sleep. Fully customizable and programmable to your child's sleep schedule, Rest will grow with you from bassinet to big girl bed, from midnight feeding sessions with your baby to okay to wake for your toddler. Play with patterns and interchangeable designs to match your nursery. Hatch Baby Rest is reinventing bedtime to help get your family on a healthy sleep schedule. Here's to more restful nights. Meet the Hatch Baby family. Grow, listen, rest.
When bedtime seems impossible, we turn on the My Baby Sound Spa Lullaby by Homedics. Our child loves the relaxing sounds and the rotating picture projection, which can be projected on the wall or ceiling. You have the choice of 6 soothing sounds and 3 image discs, all designed to help our child relax and fall asleep faster. The My Baby Sound Spa Lullaby makes bedtime simple, and from one mom to another, this is a lifesaver.